Yo, look at this, guys. We are taking this serious. We are taking this YouTube thing serious. We are taking this live streaming thing serious. We are taking vlogging serious. We're trying to go next level. The other day, last week, I went out, tested my new gear. I asked people what the quality was like. A lot of people say it was good. The streaming is good. The internet is good. The quality is good, but they gave it 8 out of 10. I said I wanted 100, 10 out of 10. So I went out and I invested in this. I didn't like the bit of shakiness still when I'm walking, so I went out and bought this gimbal. It's called Osmo Mobile 7P. But yeah, this is brand new, still in the box. I've not even opened it. Let's open it. Woo-wee! Let's check it out. I'm so excited. Look at that. Don't even know how this works. I'm gonna learn, but yeah, see. But I did my research, and apparently this is like the holy grail, what you need for streaming. Because my main thing is like, I want to go out there and do like content creation on the go. And after my research, this is what I came across. Well, there are other options as well, but this is what, you know, I was told. Look at this. What's this thing called? The cilia gel, whatever. It's always in a new box when you buy things. So let's open this. And after, we'll see what happens. If I'm not happy still, I'll still go out there and upgrade. But I'm assuming this is going to be it. So I won't need to buy anything else. You know what I mean? That's what else is that. I think that's the Nemo app details. This is the previous level, which was a huge improvement on the Osmo Mobile 7. The Osmo Mobile 7 doesn't have this baby here, and this is the magic. This has the ability to lock in your mobile and connect it to this device that I'm gonna open right now, that I'm opening this right here. I'm going to try, and this is a magnet for it. DJI, can you read that through the thing? No, let me open it so we all see together. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go out there and get started. Look at that. That should be like a clamp or something. Can you see that? DJI. I use DJI for filming. That's my camera there, Osmo Pocket 2 DJI. That's the clamp. One thing. That's the charger for charging the thing, and then this is the one to connect the magic, which is this, to the thing. So this works as well as lighting. So in dark environments, it can light up my face so you see me better. Woo-wee! So excited. Let's open this. Let's open. It's all sealed so tightly, so you know this is brand new, right straight from the box. So yeah, that's it there. Look at that, DJI. What's inside? Look at that little beautiful bag that comes with it. So let's look at the baby, the main thing. Look at that. So this right here is the main thing. The previous version of this Osmo Mobile 7 came just like this. It did not come with this attachment here. I'm gonna show you after the footages and see. You give me a comment, let me know what you think. But this is just the feel of it. It's got like a screen there as well. So when I turn it on, you'll see the screens here, and it's got all these dials and things, and it's got this. There's a trigger here for different kind of functions while you're vlogging and tracking, and you can as well do like hand gestures, and you know what I mean, to just do like that. I think and let it start recording, and then do like that to stop or something. It's crazy. This whole thing is crazy. One other thing, while I was walking around doing my live video last week, someone asked me, what do I need to start live streaming? And I told him, you just need your phone. That's it, and go. But no, that was kind of half-baked information. When you have your YouTube channel, yes, you can stream. It's simple, easy as 1, 2, 3 click and start going. But on YouTube, you need to have, I think it's about 50 subscribers to be able to use YouTube streaming app. Without that, you won't be able to go live. You won't be able to start streaming. So I just needed to correct that. If you really still want to do it, you can go to other apps like OBS streaming, Streamlabs, StreamYard, wherever. There are different apps there. Some of them you need to download it. Some of them is just a website, Restream, wherever. There are so many. With those different apps, you can then stream live to your YouTube. So with that, you do not need 50 subscribers. So you can literally start streaming now, anytime you want. So this right here is the Do It All module that goes here. Go boom. Is that correctly attached? Yeah, the light is on. You press that. That's the light. Press again. The light increases. Press again. More light. Press. That's more light and more. Press again, it goes off. Let's press one more time and try change the temperatures. Different temperatures. There you go. Normal. So there are so many functions in this Do It All thing. So the next other beauty I got is this little bag here, which is a carrier for a storage for the Osmo Mobile 7P. The Osmo Mobile 7P has 3-axis gimbals, which means it's got 3 joints rotating, and it can easily get damaged. And when it comes in a small little pouch like this one, and I thought, just to be safe, because these things aren't really cheap. So when I got this, which is sold separately, and it's designed particularly to store your Osmo Mobile 7P. You can see it's got all those compartments for everything that you need, and you store it in there. It's got also a zipper little compartment there where you can keep in the cables and everything when you're out and about doing your thing. So yeah, it's a great idea to get this. Look how tough it is. So it protects your gimbal very, very well. So if you're gonna buy one of these gimbals, I recommend getting this. It's also got a little handle where you can just carry it like that when you're on the go. Take out the clamp. So there's a compartment for this in the box thing for that. So this goes in here like so, or the other way around. Yeah, there you go. That goes in there as well. What else we got? We got the cables. The cables are in here. I put it here already. And this is the charging cable to charge your mobile and the game, because this is a power bank as well, so you can charge your mobile while you're recording. How cool is that? So this one, if you're not using it, and maybe the USB cable to charge your thing, keep it in there, and the actual gimbal, fold it up, and once you're done, get this push back, the tripod thing. There you go. It's all good to go. And then just put it in there neat, nice and neat. See that? It's all in there, ready. Zip it up. There you go. Easy to go. Can just walk around with it. Yoo-hoo. Okay. One thing I'm not sure whether I showed you already, just in case I did not show you, is this thing here. It's got extension thing, you know what I mean? There you go. Look at that. And also you can adjust the extension stick, so you can film in different angles. And on top of that, you can also screw a different tripod here to make it stable on the table or wherever. And also if you want a longer monopod, so you can do them crane shots. Yo, so I've got this thing right here which I'm gonna test right now, the mobile clamping and all that, and then I'm gonna go and try some other things as well. So click that on there, and I've got this ready to go, as you can see. And now all I need to do is when I put it like that, that means it's not properly balanced. So when it's like that, all you need to do is adjust the camera. So you need to try and make it as balanced as possible, like that. Look at all these features here. You know, just press that, you don't need to touch the phone there, and it starts recording, and the same, and it stops. So yeah, I'm so happy. Test ride, see, then we'll see the footages. I'm gonna just turn around, do up and down shots, and kind of do a run shot and see, yeah, if it makes any difference. I'm gonna run up to that signpost there, and then we'll see, we'll check out the footages after, you know. And right, so here we are. So all I'm gonna do is just press that, and it will stop recording. Test ride, see, then we'll see the footages. I'm gonna just turn around, do up and down shots, and kind of do a run shot and see, yeah, if it makes any difference. I'm gonna run up to that signpost there, and then we'll see, we'll check out the footages after, you know. And right, so here we are. So all I'm gonna do is just press that. Let's run again in this direction now. It's all-in-one setting. It's got everything you need: a tripod, a selfie stick, extension rod facility, something you can attach to make even longer, to make those crane shots like this.